The Rain Wand has been the standard of the industry for water infiltration testing in the field since 2005. It's also known as the AAMA 501.2 kit, specially designed to adhere to that test standard for testing curtain walls and storefront windows. Attach it to the separately available telescoping Rain Wand boom, and you'll have a much easier time performing the test while also staying dry. It also makes it much easier to test hard-to-reach test areas 12 feet high. Each Rain Wand is tested as they leave our facility, and each one comes with its own dated calibration sheet in accordance with the AAMA 501.2. It also has a 5-year limited warranty. The Rain Wand is made in the United States, and its parts are made in the USA. Make performing the AAMA 501.2 easier with the Rain Wand and the Rain Wand boom.